Yes, here we go again. You're all wanting to rant. Yeah, nah, usually when the rants happen, unfortunately, I'm not near the camera and you guys just aren't going to see it. I know you want to rant. There's a lot of people out there that actually got a lot of new subscribers, and some of those people just don't even like the fact that I say the F-bomb here and there, but what can I say? If you don't like it, why'd you subscribe and why are you watching me? It's not like I say it just for the hell of saying it. It's just a common language my whole life. You're not looking at a guy that was raised into a good lifestyle. I come from nothing. I didn't have anything, and yeah, I just worked my ass off to get where I am today, and that's it. And even though things are better now and I'm doing well, I'm still that guy where I'm not going to go and buy the designer jeans. I'm still going to be buying my Levi's. And speaking of that, you know, I was thinking the other day, I remember when you know, the good old country, whether you're Canadian, American, doesn't matter what you are. I remember the day when men were men, and you know, like, the countries are strong. Canada was strong, America was strong, everything was strong. Now, I might take insult to that. I'm not trying to be insultive. I'm just saying, like, things are bad today. Our dollar in Canada, if we want to come to the United States, if I give the bank $10 Canadian, they give me back like $6.50 American. Good for any Americans out there. So if you got any cars and you live close to me, you better bring them up here, because if your bill's $1,000 with me, you're only going to have to give me $650 of your money. But I remember just when the countries were strong, and maybe it's me. I'm just saying I don't think they're as strong as they used to be. I could be wrong. This is only my opinion. You know, I remember when a guy went to work and he took care of business. And what I mean by that, he went to work, he didn't bitch, he didn't gripe, he didn't complain, he didn't say, I want my 2 15-minute coffee breaks, I want my half hour for lunch, I want this, I want a fitness gym in where I am, I want all these benefits, I want everything, and I'm going to come to work for 8 hours a day, but I'm only actually going to put in around 5, and you're going to still pay me for 8. I just remember when a man went to work, took care of business, and he took care of business at home too. Like, he'd be out there cutting his own lawn, pruning his own trees, sharpening his own chainsaw blade, you know? Just, I don't know. Oh God, where am I going with this? I don't know, I guess it's just that back then, he did it because he wanted to. Nowadays, everybody just hires someone to do everything. They don't attempt to do anything themselves. And look at the guys that are around nowadays. Nowadays, the guys that are out there are wearing designer jeans and going to getting their fingernails fucking done. Like, what the hell? What is going on with people? And it's because, I guess it's because maybe they, you know, it's like I just skipped a little minute ago. I said, you know, people want gyms and stuff in their jobs. A lot of that stuff is actually true. Some places, you go to work and they got a gym there and they got a little refreshment stand, and they're like, you got to do a little workout, you got to do a little this. You know, we want you to be fresh and ready. We want you to, back in the day, man, it was back-breaking labor. You worked your ass off. You just did. You know? I don't know. It just is, it's changed out there. There's still a lot of us working folk out there, let's face it. You know, all the guys that are on the city departments, working for the city, out there on the roads and all that, working their work. But even there, and again, I'm not trying to insult anyone, maybe some of you guys were, why is it, and I know you hear this over and over, but why is it when I drive by, I see like 6 of you standing there, and there's one guy poor digging the fucking hole? I don't know. I remember back in the day, you'd see a truck parked on the side of the road, and there was maybe 2 guys, and one guy was at one end digging away, and the other guy was at the other end. But I don't know what goes on. Maybe you other guys are waiting for him to get that hole dug and you got your own job to do. I don't know. It just seems like, to me, like things have just changed. It just seems like people do less and less every day. It's more about going to the gym, then going to Starbucks, then going home and sitting on the computer and going on to Facebook. And a lot of people say, Rick, are you on Facebook? Because they see me here on Instagram and you see me on my videos. But everything I do has to do with the shop. I never really mention anything outside of my personal life, because that's my business. And as much as you guys are great followers and great fans, and I like y'all, that's my personal life. That's it. It's personal. So you know, on Facebook, I don't really do Facebook. I know Facebook is up there now. It's a wonderful thing. Chris here shows me how everything for sale is on Facebook nowadays. So if I need something, well, I just go to Chris. So, I don't do Facebook. Facebook, pointless conversations with friends that I don't know. That's it. Yeah, I'll be your friend and you click a button. I don't know you. I never met you in my life. For all I know, you're a serial killer. For all I know, you're going to come and steal off me. You're going to rob from me. Yeah, no. I don't do Facebook. I'm not interested. But it's just changed, you know. I don't know. Guys got home before and you know, women got home too. I don't mean to make it all about the guy. The women got home too, and I don't know, doing yard work, doing gardening, going for Sunday drives, washing the car, waxing the car once a month, doing your own oil changes, you know, having backyard parties, just that kind of stuff. Maybe I'm just not out there seeing enough of it. I just don't think it exists anymore. It exists in my world. I sharpen my own blades. I cut my own lawn. I build my own cars. I fight my own battles. It exists in my world. It does. But my world is this world right here. And the few friends that I have. And the few friends that I have that I've chosen are people that are like-minded like myself. They're just like me. And that's it. So I don't know, just something to think about. I guess that was a little bit of a rant, a little bit of a remember when. At the end of the day, I want to thank you all for subscribing. I'm grateful that you subscribe. Like I say, we're not a huge shop. We started in 04. I always built cars before that at nighttime. Quit my job in 04, had built up clientele, and here I am today. And it wasn't until around 8 years ago I actually started having staff members, and now I got 4 wonderful staff members, and they're great, and I'm not really looking to expand anymore. And we do what we can here, and we'll take on anything. That's just it. That's who we are here at Old Time Garage. So anyway, remember, it's always a good time at Old Time. For all you old timers out there that are watching me, stop for a moment. You know what I'm talking about. You remember the days. You remember them. They can still be here if you want them to be. You make that choice of how you live your life. Okay, guys. See you later. Big thumbs up.